my face, bro. What the fuck?
You monetize yet? I see you. Hey, this guy right here needs 9 followers to monetize his YouTube channel. Everybody follow him. It's so dead filled.
Just easy famous.
$10 tickets. $10 tickets.
It's even small for you.
What? You want the best scooter, bro?
What's going on, guys and gals? So I've been on the road since yesterday at 3:30. It is currently 10 a.m. and I'm in the middle of California with really crappy drivers. I'm headed to Ride Around the Block. It's put on by Riderzblok. I got the Morph in the back, and in the very, very back you can see the handlebar. I got the 300, and yeah, we should be to San Diego by around 4 o'clock, 4:30. So I will get back with you guys when I get there. Finally made it.
Face, bro.
Oh yeah, what's up, man? You monetize yet? I see you. Hey, this guy right here needs 9 followers to monetize his YouTube channel. Everybody follow him. It's so dead filled. two-stroke Zuma. Tonight we're raffling off this TV. We're raffling off 2 helmets. Sunday we're raffling off this Polini tracksuit. I know you guys want to go to the track and wear this big old suit. I want to thank Scooter Swap Shop for the suit, for the raffle prize, for coming all the way out here from Oregon. I want to thank Attorney King. You get in a bike accident, make sure you hit up Attorney King. He take care of you. 8 followers and he can monetize.
JDM AF. It's even small for you.
Mike, you're gonna screw yourself. See how you want to fall over
Where
already?
do you put it?
You actually gotta put like this knee down over here, and that's how you balance. You don't sit on it quite.
Like this?
Yeah.
Oh my
No,
God.
all the way. Your leg's gotta be all the way over.
Is it supposed to be a sidecar
Like
for
this?
like little kids?
No, it's a Chinese knockoff of a Dandy or a Polini race bike. So it's got the standard like a pocket bike engine in it.
Yeah.
But the other ones actually have a Blada, like an 18 horsepower Blada
So
engine.
what is one person supposed to race this?
Two grown men.
2 grown men?
Yeah.
No way.
So the only people that actually race them anymore are like people in Sacramento, San Francisco area, where they actually have the last of them. They were sold only in a small batch of probably 5,000 of them in the United States or so.
Oh, wow.
So most of them, lasted a year and they didn't start and they threw it away. And a bunch of guys just grabbed them all up in Sacramento and San Francisco. The Bay Area riders for them. You'll see some of the guys ride them over there.
That's pretty rad, man.
Well,
Next 8 followers that follow him on his YouTube, he buys raffle tickets.
No.
Stop! Stop! It says So Deaf Films on YouTube. You follow him, he buys you a raffle ticket.
Yeah!
No.
Alright, the next one that follows, I'll buy you a raffle ticket. Person that follows Fat Pat, I'm buying you a raffle ticket for this TV. Next person, So Deaf Films. Next person.
Alright, brother.
He needs 6 followers.
Hey.
There you go.
Yeah, we got
Whatever. You're like 3,800.
SODEF. So Deaf Films. Alright, you know what? I'm feeling a little froggy. The next person that follows Fat Pat, I will buy you a raffle ticket too.
Oh, that's Soda Films.
Did it wrong.
Oh, he falls. Mr. No, man. It's for your raffle, boo.
Oh, okay.
That's for your raffle.
Who?
For following him.
Man, I'll buy you one. Subscribe, you just now subscribed. You've been a subscriber. There you go.
Thank you.
Look, I'm hooking you up, Pat. Guys, just want to let you know, Verona Speedway from 10 to 4. We're going to have some fast bikes out there. I think Mr. Hoonigan race car guy.
What? He the judge, bro.
Oh, okay. Scooter Swap Shop with the Black Morpheus out there.
Oh, me?
You won the best scooter, bro.
What?
Congratulations.
Dang.
All
Thanks.
right, all right.
I only won it because Chaz messed up the lettering. Sheesh.
I want to thank Scooter Swap Shop out of Oregon. I want to thank Attorney King, Steady Garage, Go Sport,
And Chazaleezy.
Chazaleezy,
Dang.
San Diego Scooter Mall for coming out. I see you out here. We see you out here. Oh, it's close. He's close. He's about to monetize.
I got you.
On YouTube.
YouTube. I have to sign it.
Emailing with Kevin again.
Thank you.
Ed with the Zoomer X from Thailand with the Thailand plate.
Yeah.
You got a trophy. Most unique. Congratulations.
Can I get a
Alright, so I'm just gonna bring it back to I want to thank Twan from Attorney King for helping us with this. San Diego Scooter Mob, thanks for coming out, thanks for supporting. Scooter Swap Shop in Oregon. Yeah. Dro Sports, Long Beach, Steady Garage from up there. This all started with building ruckus, and I want to say the best of show for our little event is a ruckus. And I've been clowning all night about the battery charger. My man with the red light. So Twan isn't really into the scooters yet, and we're trying to get him into the scooters. But we let him pick all the winners because he didn't know, what's what, this and that, blah blah blah. But I just want to thank Twan from Attorney King. I want to thank you, Pat, Scooter Swap Shop. Please follow Pat, So That Film. She's trying to get monetized. He's like one more follower. One. He can get paid. So Deaf Films on YouTube. So Deaf Films. One more follower. We gonna get it this weekend, Pat. Anyways, I want to thank everybody for coming out. Thank you to all the winners. We're going to the track tomorrow. Hang out, have a drink. I think there's drinks over there. There's food.
There is one trophy that I feel like is pretty important, and a lot of people talk about this all the time. But if you showed your bike in the show, you drag raced, and you completed the ride, I want to say you have the best bike of the event. So if you want to win this trophy, race tomorrow, come to the ride finish, and hey, you might be eligible to win this.
Oh.
Congrats, man.
Jeez. Best ruckus.
Hey, hold one for me.
Best of show.
See?